Hey everyone, Whitman Barnes here with Parker Offshore. Would love to walk you through the new 217 Explorer. This one features a white hull with premium sport cabin, a light bar, and now standard on all of our sport cabins is the Seakeeper Ride and underwater lights. One of the exciting new features we're adding this year is a new upholstery package. It comes in a white, a brown, and a navy. It has a featured Parker deco stitching, and it is a fully customizable option for your boat. Another premium feature we're offering this year is the Evercore flooring. It's a cork-based material that has the same foot fatigue properties as EVA foam. It's more durable, easier to clean, and it also comes with a longer warranty. This is the last flooring you'll ever need in your boat. We're also offering a premium rocket launcher this year. It comes in black and white powder coating or stainless steel. It has 10 rod holders and it will carry all of your rods for your offshore adventures. This boat features the 943 Garmin VHF, Wetsounds stereo, porta-potty. It also features a white deco stitching and optional air conditioner in the sport cabin. Go check out our website today. Build your own, parkerboats.com.